Alright, good afternoon everybody. Today is Wednesday, March 6th. I just want to go over the pre-market plan as usual. So very quick for ES, I said below 5110, I want to look to short and take out this 5100 area. If we do, we can see 5920 key area trade, then possibly 5072. I said I'm bullish over 5116 and I want to take out this 90-minute supply. If we pass, my next area of interest is 5130. I stated my possible reversal points too long were 5100 and 59.2. I also noted if we get down to 5100 and start to see buying increase, I'll be interested in reversing the market right there. As you can see, as the market opened up, we rejected this 51,116 area and we fell straight down. This is 5100 right here. We wicked right underneath it and we found a nice reversal to then long up into supply here and then even touch 5130. So it was really good shorts to key area and then right back up past supply to 5130. Pre-market plan on ES worked absolutely perfect. I even stated possible reversals to short were 5136 and 5130. So if you found good selling pressure in here on the second time around, you could have shorted it and took it all the way back down to 5100 once again. So as simple as just shorting the market here, longing to here, finding some sellers into the tape with confluence and taking it all the way back down again. Now NQ, I said over 18,100 with buyers present or a pullback to it once reclaimed. I'm interested in longing to 1132 supply. If we get above this, my next target is 1150, then 11182. I said to short, I want to see a break of 1160 and short it to 1830. This is a key area. If we break this, I don't see any support until 1800, then 17980 key area. And once again, my reversals too long were 17980. Keep that in mind. And my reversals to short were a break and retest of these levels right here. Now, as I said before the market opened, 18,105 is the area of 50% retracement. It's key for the bulls and bears. Bears want to keep us below this, and bulls want us to reclaim and hold it. Now, we got a nice little spike up, which ended up being a bull trap in here. A second time again. Now in here, under this level over here of 1860 right here, you could have shorted here and brought it all the way down to the 17,980 key area in here. You could have then looked for a nice reversal in the market, which I did claim was going to happen. I said VX is still rising, putting more pressure on the market. Now VX is dropping at 1010. And then at 1010, I also stated, I said, this can be a reversal in the market. Here we shall see. Now we are on a 1 minute chart. As you can see, when I said that at 1010, the market was right here. We found nice supporting of this 17,980 level, and then we rallied up. We rallied right up into this 1830 level, which I stated right here, a hold over 18,000. I'll switch buys and run it to 1830 and then view up, which exactly happened. And I even stated the long reversal works solid right to 1830. If we pull back to 18,000 and hold, I'll look to take the same exact trade. Now this is 18,000 right here. We held it perfectly and we ran right up to view up. Exactly what I was stating the first time. We then held again and ran even higher all the way to the top of supply in here. Now we found a good amount of sellers up here in supply, and then we consolidated in here with lack of buying, as you can see on the volume, and then we fell right through supply, right back to this key area yet again of 1830. We tested supply once again, missed it by a tick, and then right back to the key area again. And it was just bouncing between key areas the whole time. The one time it fell through key area, where did it end up? At 18,000, and buyers supported it. And then we slowly dripped all the way down to 3 points shy of one of the other key areas that I had lined up in here. Now, along with the pre-market plans and the intraday thoughts, I like to scalp off of VWAP. I have a full course of it in my master course. And you can see how many times VWAP worked over here. We had a rejection right here. We had a fall through right here of this 1860 area that I was talking about in my pre-market plan. Then we had acceptance, and you can see the buying power coming off the acceptance. We tried to hold it in here again. We fell through. When we reclaimed it, again, big buying power, big selling power through it. And then usually as the day goes on, once VWAP gets touched that many times or there's a consolidation, it does not respect it as much. So the first 2 to 3 touches of VWAP are usually golden for me. Once it starts to consolidate in that area, I don't look at VWAP as much and I don't use it as a big of a confluence like I would usually with my pre-market plans or any of my scalps. So if you like what you see and you like how I make my pre-market plans and how we trade off of them, my intraday thoughts and everything like that, join the Discord. I have a free version. Every Friday, I give these plans out for free to everybody to show what it's like to be in the premium, and then the premium gets these every day along with intraday thoughts and live videos. I have a bunch more other videos like this explaining my pre-market plans through the day, my thoughts, and my trades through them. Thank you for watching.